And welcome back. So taking a look outside, we did have a good amount of sunshine earlier today, a few passing clouds into the early afternoon. Now we've cleared out once again, so even under a good amount of sunshine, we still had that Arctic high pressure system in charge and that northerly wind, so temperatures really well below average. We're talking over 20 degrees below average for this time of year. Highs only into the lower 30s. Still an improvement from where we have been the last couple of days, but still well below where we should be now that we're well into the month of March. 26 degrees right now, but it feels like 17, that northerly wind around 10 miles per hour. Current temperatures look like this. The cool spot, Thedford out toward Broken Bow, Hyannis, lower 20s. Valentine, actually one of the cool spots today at 20, but where they got more sunshine, say from I-80 points off to the south, near 30 degrees right now. Winds are still from mainly a northerly direction. Wind speeds 10 to 15 miles per hour, continuing to pump in cool air from the Arctic, but this northerly wind isn't going to last much longer. There's your mainly clear skies across the region. Still some clouds north and east of North Platte, but not a lot of moisture across our region. This Arctic high pressure system is working its way out, and gone is the northerly or even easterly wind that produced the moisture. That's moving into the northeast. Our next weather maker is this Pacific high pressure system that will keep us mainly clear as we go through the weekend and really warm us up. Now, as for that system that came through a couple of days ago and gave us light to moderate amounts of snow, that's moving into the Midwest and Northeast right now. Going to become a main snowmaker and a wind maker out in that direction. But for us, we're getting back into a nice warm air mass, wind mainly from a southwesterly direction, and a lot of sunshine. That cold front off the coast will be here for Monday. Isn't going to do much to hinder our nice warm up into midweek next week. So Skycast shows we get another cold overnight period. Evening temperatures near 10 degrees. Going to have some overnight lows in the mid to upper single digits, but for the day on Saturday, lots of sunshine. The red arrows on the map, there's that nice southerly wind, so we will warm up into the low to mid 50s for most of us. It is not going to be as cold going through the overnight into Sunday morning, lows in the mid 20s, and then high temperatures by Sunday into the upper 50s, even lower 60s, a nice strong west-southwesterly wind, and a good amount of sunshine as we finally get above average in terms of temperatures. So gone is the Arctic high, and then this Pacific high is going to work in. Lots of sunshine. There's your southwesterly wind. Now, as for the cold front coming through on Monday, doesn't have a lot of moisture. Could flip the wind to a northerly direction briefly, but as soon as this high pressure system crests over us, we've got even warmer air filtering in for Tuesday. Now here's one more look at that system that's making its way up the spine of the Appalachians and into the northeast. Most areas getting 6 to 9 inches of snow, but from upstate New York and into portions of Quebec, we do have some areas getting 9 to 12 inches as it goes off the coast of the Atlantic and picks up some moisture, becomes a little bit of a nor'easter in that direction. That's been the story. These systems that have tracked off to our south have become big snowmakers for the northeast. So as for us, quite the opposite. We got the warm air working in, 56 for tomorrow. A little breezy with that southwesterly wind really warming us up. It's 62 on Monday. That cold front does push us down to 57. And then for Tuesday, mostly sunny, high of 67. 61 on Wednesday. We do cloud up and maybe a slight chance of some showers for Thursday. Breezy northerly winds get us back to 52. But even the cool downs next week, still not bad compared to last week. 58 for Friday as we get back to mainly sunny skies. Marissa?
You know, I always love hearing about sunny skies and warmer temperatures, Justin.
Yeah, and this is where we should be this time of year, into the 50s.
Well, let's hope we can stay in the 50s.
It looks like it.
But it's Nebraska.
Mm-hmm.
Coming up, Lindsay is back in North Platte after covering the state basketball tournament in Lincoln this week. We've got St. Pat's state championship highlights coming your way. Sports is next on News 2.
People count on Spectrum to keep them connected to what matters most. Our commitment runs deep, with over 93,000 employees and a network almost 800,000 miles long. Our